So today we are going to see the SQL installation, and for this we need to navigate to Google, search for MySQL downloads. Now over here we'll select the MySQL installer 8.0. You need to simply click and download the version which is best suited for you. So we are going to download this particular version which has a complete software. So over here you can see that I can simply click on no thanks, just start my download. I don't need to sign up or log in into the Oracle account. If you wish to, you can always do it. So the download has begun. Now we'll wait for the download to get completed. So now the download has been completed. So we'll navigate to the folder and double click. So this is going to allow us to run the software. And we'll see the steps of installation. So it's going to ask you, what do you want to set up? You want to set up server only, client only, or full. So I'll select full because that will allow me to install workbench, router, everything. So now click on next. It would, because the software was already installed, it is saying the selected path already exists, so which is fine. Just click on next. Yes, then you click on execute. Now it's going to execute each of the softwares one by one. Now all of these steps are completed, so we'll click on next. Again we'll click on next. We'll say the type and networking remains the same. Use strong encryption. We'll enter the password. So for first time installation, अगर आप फर्स्ट टाइम इंस्टॉल कर रहे हो तो उस हिसाब से आपको न्यू पासवर्ड एंटर करने का ऑप्शन मिलेगा. बिकॉज मेरा ऑलरेडी प्रीवियसली इंस्टॉल्ड था, सो इट इज़ आस्किंग मी टू एंटर द पासवर्ड ऑफ द प्रीवियस इंस्टॉलेशन. सो पासवर्ड हमें याद रखना होगा हर बार जब भी हम इसके साथ काम करते हैं. So now you see that there is a green tick, that means the password has been verified. Click on next. Again you click on next and execute. Then click on finish. So with this, the installation gets completed. Now what we want to do is we want to evaluate whether the installation is properly done or not. Okay, so now how can we do that? So simply we'll go to the command prompt. So Windows R, and over here I'm going to say MySQL. Okay, so if it gives you an error saying the access denied, that means your installation is perfect, there is no problem. Okay, but suppose you get an error stating unknown command MySQL. So you get this error. This is a common problem, that is unknown command MySQL. So what is the challenge over here? So what you need to do is you need to set the environment variable. आपको क्या करना है? Environment variable set करना है. And how can we do that? You can simply search for edit the system environment variables, or you can right click on my computers and go to settings, and through that also you'll get this. So now you have this particular window. Click on environment variables. Now what you want to do is you will select system variables, click on paths and click on edit. Over here you need to add this particular path, that is MySQL bin server. So the path that we where we have installed the MySQL server, वो path आपको यहाँ पे add करना होगा. Once you add that, click OK and close the thing. Another aspect, command prompt को आपको restart करना होगा. Remember, command prompt is a shell based execution. So shell based execution does not get refreshed every time. So because you want to reload the new paths, you are going to reload the command prompt. So basically you restart the command prompt and then check MySQL. If you get access denied, that means the installation is perfectly done. In the next video, we'll see how to access MySQL, and we will start with a SQL statement that is called as DDL. Thank you.